Hey there, shopaholics! Ever wished you could shop the world from your couch? Well, with Aliexpress, you totally can. It's like a giant online marketplace bursting with millions of products. And guess what? Most of the time, they're crazy affordable. We're talking clothes, gadgets, home decor, you name it. Think of it like this. Remember that time you discovered that amazing little boutique with unique finds? Aliexpress is like 1,000 of those boutiques all rolled into one easy-to-use website. Plus, since it connects you directly with sellers, mostly from China, you often snag some sweet deals. But hold on, you might be thinking, Jimmy, buying from another country sounds complicated. Don't you worry your pretty little head. This guide is going to break down how to shop on AliExpress using your trusty debit card, step by easy step. We'll have you scoring awesome deals and bragging about your international shopping skills in no time. First things first, you gotta create an account. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Just head to the AliExpress website or download their app. Look for the register or sign up button, usually at the top of the page. Now, they'll ask for some basic info like your email address and a password. You know the drill. Once you've filled that out, boom, you're officially part of the AliExpress family. You'll get a confirmation email, just click the link and you're ready to shop till you drop. Okay, now for the fun part. Finding all the cool stuff. AliExpress has a massive selection, so it's like a treasure hunt. But instead of digging for gold, you're digging for awesome deals. Use the search bar at the top to type in what you're looking for. Let's say you're on the hunt for some funky socks. Just type in funny socks and bam! AliExpress will show you a ton of options. You can filter your results by color, size, price, and more. They even have pictures and reviews from other shoppers, so you can see what the products actually look like and what people are saying. Deal. Section 5, AliExpress Safety 101, Shop Smart, Shop Safe. Now, before you go on a shopping spree, let's talk safety. Shopping on AliExpress is generally safe, but it's always smart to be cautious. Look for sellers with good ratings and positive reviews. The more reviews, the better. And here's a pro tip. Pay attention to the buyer protection policy. AliExpress offers buyer protection, which means if something goes wrong with your order, like you don't receive it or it arrives damaged, you can usually get a refund. So shop with confidence, my friend.